Look at the contestations that are being done and supported by America the world over. They choose to support losing political parties. Why? Because of their hegemony, international hegemony. They want to protect their superiority the world over. In Zimbabwe, the opposition parties, MDC are included, the opposition parties are not our enemies. We want opposition political parties and opposing political opinions. But what we will not accept is a person who goes to America and asks for the suffering of our people, extension of sanctions. Sanctions are a crime against humanity because you punish even the unborn. There is no president who suffers under sanctions. It is the ordinary people who suffer. And why do they want to squeeze blood out of us? Just because we are black? And we should dance to the tune of America, no matter what nonsense they give us? No. We don't want to be taken